Where's everybody on this Friday night? We're cruising down and there's no one inside, so
got one pinned down, just waiting. Sean's still on one.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is what came in. Yep. Can I tell? No, it's some fish. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Nice little toad.
Yeah. 30. Five, get bigger. There you go. Nice. Too early.
I don't know how much line I'm gonna have left, bruh.
Ryan's on a big one. Who's cleaning up? Ryan took a screamer. Bantos right now. Now you get line, you get line.
Oh.
We're gonna turn them, we're gonna turn them, we're gonna turn them. Yes, sir. Oh. Look at that. We can turn them. What's up, guys? Alright, so if you're watching that last clip, right when we was cleaning out, we got a hit. And it was just pulling out line. I was waiting for Sean to come, so he cut the phone off. That's why it had that last episode. The last clip was just like that. It's because he came to assist me and hold the pole so I could readjust my grip. And even he felt it just pulling in. We were like, wow, we don't know what to do. We try to do everything right. Let it take some line out, but like I was down to like that last, I want to say like 50 yards. Like I was seeing the bottom of the reel. I was kind of worried. I was like, this thing is gonna spool me. But that's the game, right? And hopefully that was the 100-pounder I was trying to get or look for. And I don't know, it was just pulling it. I mean, if I wasn't sitting down on the pole like that, it would have yanked it right out of my hands or something. Like, it's crazy. So, but you know what? Like I said, that's the game, and I'm gonna keep doing it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hopefully I'll try to post up more videos. I know I haven't been a while because of the pandemic, work of course, and family, but always got to do that. But something that always brings us back to fishing. So stay tuned. All right, guys.